Up for sale, 1970 Nova Super Sport. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 1970 Nova SS L78 car, which is the 396, 375 horsepower car from the factory. It's finished in beautiful blue with all new black interior, you know, bucket seats, console. And as always, walk around it, point out flaws, tell you what I know about the car. We will drive it, and here you go. So we'll start in the front. It's actually a factory tuxedo black car, but the previous owner went with this gorgeous blue, which I believe is a factory color, if I'm not mistaken. We'll get up on it a little bit. All the Super Sport trim on the car, of course. It's got the dog dish Copo wheels with red line radial tires. Expensive tires. It was restored 6 years ago, driven probably not even 100 miles since. You know, new chrome, all new interior, the paint was new. I got a lot of receipts for the car in the trunk when I get to that. We'll go here and we'll start out in the front. Front bumper is gorgeous, all the trim is gorgeous. The bezels, like new, pretty much. Paint-wise, as you see, I will point out anything if I see anything at all. No. I want to pop the hood though real quick. Mallory ignition. First off, engine compartment is gorgeous. Got an aluminum radiator in it. Power brakes with front disc. Power steering. Now, the heads are date code correct. The intake is a winter's cast aluminum intake, which would have been on the car. The block is correct to the car. Nothing on the pad. So when it was rebuilt, maybe the deck blocked it. So this very well could be the original engine, but the numbers on it, there are no numbers, so I can't say it's number matching, but there's a strong chance it's original to the car. The gentleman and I got it from the estate of the gentleman who passed away, who owned it for so many years. And like I said, the guy bought it and he restored it. Anyway, beautiful engine compartment, really. It's got headers on it, and firewall is gorgeous, totally unmolested, and trim tags original. And I want to point something out real quick on the car. That's an old Z-Bart sticker right there. The underneath of the car is gorgeous. There's no rust. There's no patches. There's nothing. I've only ever seen one other Nova that nice underneath, and it's that Nova right there. That was there. Anyway, well, you'll see that another day. But we're gonna start here down the car. Driver's side, of course. Traction bars on there, of course. No cracks on the dash pad. I mean, I told you the interior is totally new. All the trim is all new from a time when it was painted. Granted, a little bit of marking on that if I really want to be picky. They didn't bullshit the back deck and put speakers in. That's the way it should be. There's no bubbles on the car. And it also has the M21 trans, which is the second more powerful trans, I guess, if you want to put it that way. All the weather stripping's new, of course. The interior is totally new. Seats, carpet, dash pad, headliner. I pointed this out on this. I got a little sheet of notes here. 66 Nova that I had. This is super nice. The body by Fisher is nice. In addition, it has the 6,500 RPM, which is L78 only. So your Super Sport console with the gauge package and your tack package. And as you see, super nice dash. I have had two other L78 70 Novas, believe it or not. This blows both of them out of the water in the way it rides, the credentials, the quality of the build, of course, the quality of the build. And also another thing, it has the L78 deep groove pulleys on it. I just wanted to say that. Again, of course, both bucket seat covers are brand new. Backs of the seats are excellent. These get chipped up for whatever reason. This is perfect. Even that little chrome piece has been replaced. I'll zoom out a little bit here. So the back seat looks great. Headliner, awesome. Let me see on my little notes if I forgot anything. No. I got the key in my pocket, so we will open up the trunk. Best thing about the trunk, it's painted nicely. No patches. Quarters are original. Actually, all of the body is original. The gentleman that I bought it from told me that there was a pretty decent size dent in the front driver side fender, so he replaced it. But everything else, all the other body panels are original. Floor is untouched and totally gorgeous. No patches. Like I said, and you'll see pictures of it on the ad. Back bumper is super nice. I just see a little bit of like faint little marking on top. Trunk fitment though is nice, as you see. Yeah. It's original. And just so you don't think I'm hiding anything, original. $1,000 invoice, notes of what was done, $800. Old picture of the car before, $600, $300, $2,000, $500. I know there was an $8,000 receipt in here. I might have gone over it. Title before, the guy's certificate, another $100. And this was right before he sold the car. He spent $800, making sure that everything was in good working order. $8,000. Anyway, so we'll continue on down the car. Super nice. Wheels are gorgeous. And you could tell how nice and recent the paint is. It's not even cracking or anything in there like they do at some points. All the glass is in excellent condition. I see a little tiny crack right there on the dash pad, actually. I see that right there. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video, so if you want to check it out, let me know. So, thanks for watching, and we will fire it up now and then drive it. Alright, here we go. We're going to fire her up.